everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're gonna be talking about wireframing. Let's get into the video. Well, tasks for today's videos are: what is wireframing, what is its main focus, and how can you use it in your own projects? Well, it's not related to some kind of wires and you're playing around with them. Instead, it's about sketching the layout of your application onto a paper or a software. Well, you and your teammate then take that sketch paper and convert that into a user interface, also called UI design. Let's take a practical example. Let's say that you have to work with your teammates together on the same project. Let's say Instagram project. You grab your keyboard and grab that paper sketch and convert it into a UI design. Let's say Instagram UI design. Well, you take that design, which contains a control flow, functionality, and placement of things, and then convert that into a real-world application using Java or something like that. The applications used to create that sketch into a software is called Adobe XD Sketch and Figma, where Figma is an online platform where you can do it. Let's say you're thinking of a great idea of an application. You grab your pen and paper and you sketch it. Then you and your teammates analyze it and create a UI for it so that you can have a practical feeling of it. Then you publish it. It helps you to get more organized and teamwork plus productive. Goodbye guys, hope you understood the concept and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.